Mr. President, distinguished members of the IOC, it would be a tremendous honor for us to host the Games in 2020 in Tokyo. One of the safest cities in the world, now and in 2020. Some may have concerns about Fukushima. Let me assure you, the situation is under control. It has never done and will never do any damage to Tokyo.
Mr. Prime Minister, excuse me for taking it up, but the question about Fukushima. We read, we hear a lot, and almost every day from media, how bad this is. Of course, we believe you when you say that it will have no effect on Tokyo. Could you tell us how you can say that, and also why it is like that, so we get the assurance, also technically from your side, please.
Thank you very much, Governor. Our second question is from Mr. Heiberg concerning the situation in Fukushima. I would like to invite our Prime Minister to respond. Prime Minister, please.
Thank you for your question. Let me speak in Japanese. まず結論から申し上げれば、全く問題ないということであります。どうか新聞のヘッドラインではなくて事実を見ていただきたいと思います。汚染水による影響は
Excuse me. Could you?
Okay.
I will give you my conclusion first. It poses no problems whatsoever. I ask that you read through the headlines and instead appraise the true situation. The impacts of the contaminated water have been isolated to an area of 0.3 square kilometers within the harbor that fronts the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power station. It is completely blocked. We have been conducting monitoring in Fukushima's coastal waters, and even the highest of these numerical values is at a level of 1/500th of the WHO's guidelines for drinking water quality. It is a fact. Japan's safety standards for both food and water uphold the most stringent level anywhere in the world. And in every single region of the country, radiation exposure from food and water is less than 1/100th of these extremely rigorous standards. That is the fact of the matter. There have been no health-related problems until now, nor are there any at present, nor will there be in the future. I make this statement to you in the most emphatic and unequivocal terms. Furthermore, I shall take responsibility to implement programs for the drastic resolution in order to render this situation completely problem-free.
Condition that the Japanese are beginning to call black rain. Fukushima may be continuing to release radiation for a long time. Now this is cesium, it's got a 30-year half-life, but 30 years from now, it's still going to be disintegrating at 250,000 disintegrations per second. And 30 years after that, at 125,000 disintegrations per second. This contamination then has spread beyond the Fukushima prefecture, yet the prefecture itself seems to be the only place that the Japanese are worried about this radioactive exposure. In particular, due to the black rain, clouds of radioactive particles, hot particles, depositing everywhere